Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energy, Sagittarius, we are picking few cards. For your relationship, it's going to be like a pick a card, guys. So it's going to be a detailed reading. If you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch that pick a card love reading that will follow this general reading, guys. So it's 5 of cups in reverse, 3 of pentacles in reverse, and page of cups in reverse. So these are the cards for your general energies, guys. So these cards, it may relate to our career situation or personal life situation, guys. So with these cards, Sagittarius, today maybe you are unable to concentrate on your work, put in your total efforts. So something is troubling you. It may be you are having some illness or some stress, or it may be something obstructing in the way you work. So you are unable to put those maximum efforts. And I also see that in your situation you may be facing some troubles, guys. Something some obstacles or some delays in your projects or in your situation, something not going as expected. But I also see that certain things which you believed failed, or certain, or maybe some projects or something of the past which you thought that it had stalled or got suspended, that is reviving again, surprising you, taking you by surprise. Or it may be a person, maybe your friend or a relative with whom you lost contact, or it may be your past person with whom you did not have contact. So they are coming back, visiting you, and that may simply take you by surprise, guys. So some great news is there, or a person is coming, a surprise person is coming to visit you. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius, for your general energies. If you want a more detailed love reading, watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two piles here. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can close your eyes and choose the pile. Open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way that reading may resonate to your situation, guys. So I'll be starting with this deck. This is your first deck and this is your second deck. So let's see what is coming with the first deck. I will start after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so let's start with this deck. I'll be picking 3 cards randomly, guys. We have a few cards falling out. This is your first card. This is your second card, and this is your third card. So let's see what is coming for those who have chosen this card. The Devil, 9 of Moons, Postulant of Stars. So guys, with this card, for those who have chosen this first card, in this love, in this connection, maybe guys, you have that deep physical attraction to them, and maybe for some of you, you are not even thinking whether you both have something common between you both, something that will bring that attachment and bonding. So you have just rushed towards this person without that deep thought, maybe based on some very superficial things, maybe that physical attraction or that passion you have towards them. So some immature decisions would have led you to be in this connection, but you are also willing to change, or they are also willing to change, maybe make some changes, because this situation, maybe for some of you it is out of control. Maybe the way they are behaving, they are reacting impulsively, and it is turning out to be a kind of abusive relationship. So maybe for some of you, you want to change yourself or try and change this person. So if you have love, this person is going to change for you guys, or if they have love for you, they are going to change for you, or if you have love, you are going to change for them. So otherwise things will be difficult in this love, guys. That is what I see with these cards. So let's see what is coming with the second pile. So with this pile, let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking 3 cards, guys. So for those who have chosen this second deck, let's see what's coming up. It's 4 of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and the Fool. So with these cards in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck, so maybe in this love, or in this life together with this person, maybe this person is quite immature. They don't have that clarity in whatever they are doing, guys. And maybe they are also quite careless and lethargic. They are not willing to do anything for you or for this love. And I also see that their careless attitude is bringing lots of difficulties for you in this love, in this connection. And they are going for some immature behavior. They are just dreaming, and they are not ready, willing to do anything for this love, guys. And maybe they are having some kind of weakness also, guys. Maybe they are into some kind of habits. Again, that may be really stressing and worrying you. But I also see that things are slowly changing. Maybe if you have that, if you both have love between each other, and if it is true love, this person, if they have that true love on you, they are going to change, and you are seeing some hope in your future, with some changes coming in your situation. Maybe you are proposing to them, or they are proposing to them, or maybe for some of you, you are having a child together. So some circumstances are changing beautifully to bring both of you close together. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.